Welcome back, guys. If you remembered vividly, Tonkeeper is a wallet. Hope you remembered. So what we just did not quite long is that we transferred from our exchange to wallet. So transferring from exchange to wallet is as easy as that. Make sure you back up your recovery phrase. So I'm coming back to my Tonkeeper to convert the USDT I just sent to my Tonkeeper. I want to convert it to a Notcoin. Since Notcoin is part of the coins we'll be buying, so I'm using Tonkeeper to save my Notcoin. Since Tonkeeper is a Ton ecosystem wallet, which Notcoin is a token on that Ton. I've told you several times that Notcoin is a token on that Ton. So I have my Tonkeeper wallet opened. This is a non-custodial wallet. That's why we're having a recovery phase. Unlike exchange does not have any recovery phase. So right now, the money I sent has entered, the 5 USDT has entered, and here we have it. So we have 5 USDT right now. You can stake it as well if you want to stake. One of the ways I told you can stake your Ton right here, but we are not staking Ton. So what we're going to do now is that we want to open USDT. We want to convert the USDT to Notcoin. So what I'm going to do is to swap. I'm going to click on swap on my phone right now, and having to click on swap, I'll be able to choose what I want to swap. I want to swap USDT, which is 5. I have 5.0 USDT right now, and I'm going to swap 5.0 USDT. Right now, I'm going to choose the amount of USDT I want to swap. I'm swapping a 5 USDT. Then I'll select the coin I want to receive or the token I want to receive. It could be not. When you click on Ton, you're going to receive 0.641078 Ton. We are going to buy a Ton coin as well, but not now. What we're going to be buying is not right now, which is a token on that Ton. Because it's dropping right now, I'm going to buy not. So I'm going to click on not, and yeah, we're going to have not coin right here. It's not listed on Bybit, but we're going to buy it right here. I'm going to click on not, and now 1 USDT is equivalent to 71.39 knots. That's 1 USDT for you, and 5 USDT would give you 356 knots. Price impact is 0%. The minimum receive is this 353.3818. The provider fee is 4.686 knots, and the blockchain fee, so a fee is going to be deducted for this. So I'm going to continue that. Actually, I'm going to swap this 5 USDT to knots. I want to keep it for a very long time, so I don't really care about whatever the fee is. So I'm going to continue right away. And right now we have this, we have the blockchain fee and everything. Okay, here we have all that. The blockchain fee is 0.08 to 0.25 ton, which is, that's a lot. Actually, that's a lot, but yeah, we are going to continue that way. We're going to get that. I'm going to confirm, and having to confirm this, I'll have the Notcoin. It says insufficient funds to be paid, or I need to pay 0.26 blockchain fee. Your balance is 0.01 ton. Wow. So I have to recharge my battery. And how do I recharge my battery? I have to recharge with USDT. So let's see what we are going to do. Let's try to recharge a battery, and yeah, with 3.37 USDT we recharge battery, enter other amounts. And since we are going to be facing the challenge of having to pay some specific amount of ton to buy this, what I'm going to do now is to convert this to ton first. I'm going to convert this to ton. Let's see how that goes. So let me try and convert it to ton. Let me swap it from here. Let me try to swap from here. Let me try to swap for my USDT, and I'll try to say I'm swapping a 5 token, and let's see the blockchain fee. A blockchain fee is still required, and yeah, it's 0.08 to 0.25 ton. So let's see if that can be swapped. Let's see. And it says price impact so ton, and yes, let's confirm that. Let's see if that will be able to, is sufficient fund to be paid. 0.185 ton plus blockchain fee. Your balance ton is 0001. So we can recharge battery or buy ton. Do that. I'm going to recharge the battery for whatever amount it is. So back to send. I'm going to try to swap. So we're going to recharge the battery. Let's swap. Let me swap Notcoin. I'm swapping from USDT to Notcoin. Let's see that. Let's go. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to enter the amount I want to swap. I'm entering here. I'll say I want to swap a $5, and here it says we cannot continue transaction. So I'm going to recharge the battery. Let me just recharge the battery, and I'll recharge the battery with USDT, and let's recharge the battery with 0.37 USDT, because let's do that. So I'm going to do that right now and recharge the battery. So send 0.37 USDT, wallet initialize, and I'll be receiving 0.020 will be paid with battery. So I have to just continue this. I'll slide to confirm. So the total is 415. The total of this transaction is 415 just to recharge the battery. I'm going to recharge the battery. Let's do that. Let's recharge battery and see. And yeah, battery will be recharged in a few minutes. And yes, I have the battery recharge, 5 USDT received, 0.1 ton. And yeah, we've been able to recharge the battery. And let's see what our transaction would remain. I'm going to try to swap right now. So let's swap our coin. Let's see if that will be possible right now, since I feel like the battery has been recharged. I'm going to recharge from the USDT balance is 1.6. Well, so we are going to be getting 1.62 Notcoin. So let's do that. 1.6248 Notcoin, and it's still the same amount. So why don't I get more Notcoin? I'm going to have to send another $5, or should we just go ahead? Let me just go ahead to get this amount of Notcoin. Let's go ahead and continue this. So we have this, and yeah, we have 115 Notcoin. So I'm going to confirm that, and right now the swap will be effective. See what we are using to get a Notcoin. So I'm going to swap this just to get that, just to make sure we get that. So yeah, swap to confirm action. Yes, yes, yes. So I'll be able to swap to confirm this action, and right now we'll be able to get our Notcoin successfully. So let's wait for that, and that is done. So right now I've gotten a Notcoin of 115. So I can use the Tonkeeper. I just burned over four point something dollars to recharge the battery on Tonkeeper. But at the same time, you have to use the money you can't afford to lose. But for now, I've gotten the Notcoin at 5 years. I invested 5 years into this Notcoin. That's my own total investment. That's how I count it, because it's 5 years I invested into it. And yeah, we'll be able to do that successfully. So let's see how it goes. It's loading. Let's see how long it's going to take to convert this USDT to Notcoin. So the swap has been successful. I'll be able to convert that same USDT to Notcoin. So we have 0.006 USDT, and now I have the number of Notcoin I have. So right now, when you check the battery is 2.23. So we have some battery left for transactions. Any transactions we want to carry out, we can always get Notcoin and save it here, and just keep it and let's go. So right now I have the following Notcoin. This is my Notcoin right here. I have 115 Notcoin for $1.6 for now. That's the unit of Notcoin we have. So right now we'll be able to get Notcoin on Tonkeeper. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.